Welcome to today's news. Are you a teacher? 2,129 vacancies. Apply now. RPSC will start the RPSC Senior Teacher Recruitment 2025. Rajasthan Public Service Commission RPSC will start the RPSC Senior Teacher Recruitment 2024 registration process on December 26, 2024. Candidates who want to apply for senior teacher posts can visit on the official website of RPSC at rpsc.rajasthan.gov.in. The registration process begins on December 26 and will end on January 24, 2025. This recruitment will fill 2,129 posts for 8 subjects: Hindi, English, Mathematics, Science, Social Science, Sanskrit, Punjabi and Urdu. For Hindi, English, Mathematics, Sanskrit, Urdu and Punjabi subjects, candidates should have graduation or equivalent examination degree from a recognized university with concerned subject as optional subject and degree or diploma in education recognized by the National Council of Teacher Education or government. For science subject, candidates should have graduate or equivalent examination recognized by UGC with at least 2 of the following subjects as optional subjects: physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, microbiology, biotechnology and biochemistry, and degree or diploma in education recognized by the National Council of Teacher Education or government. RPSC Senior Teacher Recruitment 2025. How to apply? To apply online, candidates can follow the steps given below. Visit the official website RPSC at rpsc.rajasthan.gov.in. Click on apply online link and enter the registration details and click on submit. Log into the account using login details. Fill the application form and pay the application fee. Click on submit and download the application and take the printout for further need.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.